Ha?
Pagpilain mo daw.
Pila na lang po dito sunod-sunod para dire-diretso. Dire-diretso po. May ikot tayong pag-ganun po. Ganun ba? Opo, para makita po yung pakikikan po natin, pakikiisa. Okay na ba? Sunod-sunod po ha. Kaya sir, na-ready na po kayo? Ready na po ba? Sige. Sunod po kayo ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, go na.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock.
Yeah.
You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah,
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
'Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah,
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion. The walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers.
Salamat sa inyo ha.
Politicians, be preachers, be believers.
Good morning po sa atin lahat. Pumunta po kami dito as West 88 Riders Club. Masayang-masaya po kami kahit umuulan, natuloy pa rin. So God bless sa atin lahat. RS sa pag-uwi sila. Salamat po. God bless.
Salamat po sa inyo. West 88 Riders Club.